Pimpins. Pimpin. What up, mister? Put your little hat on. What you doing over there, homie? Ha ha! Once again, trying to enjoy myself at this beach. What up, mister? What are you doing over there? I would put you in the water, but you can't swim yet. Whoa. Whoa. But yo, it's crazy because like right here, like it's like lobsters and all type of shit in the water. It's wild, bro. Like you can see straight to the bottom. You see lobsters, fish, all type of shit. It's kind of wild. But so one thing I hate is I hate how people get in my DMs and people look at me and they go, damn, man, Daylyt, you living the life, man. You having fun. You feel me? You just, man, one day. I hate when people be saying shit like that. Right? I hate when people be saying one day or, bro, like, you could do everything I'm doing now. Like, stop looking at me like I'm some type of special person in this world or like I'm like doing some shit that's unlockable to the public. Like stop looking at me like I won. Like, nigga, everything I do, you could do. I hate when people be hitting me up. I hate when people be hitting me up like that. Like, man, they like, man, I'm so proud of you, man. Like, one day I'm gonna get to where you at, bro. What the fuck you mean one day, bro? This shit easy. Bro, it's not hard. Like, it's not hard to do none of this shit, bro. Look. I keep telling y'all this shit, bro. Most of the people that get to do what they want, they unplug from the system, bro. Most of these motherfuckers on this beach living lavish, having a good time. These are people that's unplugged from the system. These are people that say, man, I don't give a fuck what my boss talking about. I'm out of here. You know what? I don't even got a boss. You know what? I quit. This ain't people who hard. None of these people work hard. Nobody here work hard. These people figured out how to make you work hard. These people ain't working hard. They figured out how to make y'all niggas work hard while they get all the bread. So your boss, all these niggas is somebody's boss. These niggas is, while y'all at work busting y'all ass 9 to 5, these niggas is out here in Hawaii making dummy bread off of y'all niggas hard work, telling you one day you're gonna move it. Bro, look, I'm not telling y'all to quit y'all job, but I'm gonna tell you some of the realest shit a nigga ever told me. Sometimes you gotta unplug from that 9 to 5 life, bro. I'm gonna tell you some of the realest shit one of these rich white niggas told me, bro. One of these, I'm talking about a billionaire. Like, where I'm at right now, I'm with billionaire niggas. Nigga told me, bro, he owned a corporation that he owned like a skyscraper where he got niggas that work in offices 40 hours a week. And he said, I used to be a nigga that worked in the office, bro, until I started really thinking about how the fuck could I get a skyscraper? Like, and he said, it's crazy that people used to tell me I was crazy because I was thinking about how I'm going to get my own skyscraper. He said he used to have people telling him, oh, if you don't come to work today, your life is over. Or if you don't fucking follow the rules, then you ain't going to never be successful in the job. Or if you don't follow the rules, you ain't going to get a raise. But he ain't follow no rules because he was always thinking about how he gonna get his own venue for motherfuckers to sit in here and work. Pam bomb. Right? So what I'm saying is this, right? Like, I ain't telling nobody to quit their job. Oh, you want to get out? All right, fine with me. Here. Come on. Come on, Mr. Hatman. Here, put your hat on. Whoa. Whoa. Right? What I was saying is, I ain't telling nobody to quit their job. But what I'm telling you is, while you at work, start thinking about how you gonna become a fucking boss, bro. While y'all niggas on y'all way to work, stop thinking about how you gonna get paid and how many hours you gotta put in to get paid. Start thinking about how you gonna fucking become a boss, bro. What you gonna do to where you can fucking make money and not clock into this goddamn punk ass job every day. And then don't tell me that you ain't talented or you don't got information, because I'm not talented. I hate when people tell me I'm talented. I ain't talented, bro. Everything I know, I learned it off YouTube. I ain't talented. Every skill set I got, I learned it off YouTube. I learned how to edit off YouTube. I learned how to work Photoshop off YouTube. I learned how to work Adobe off YouTube. I learned how to work Cinema 4D, Maya 4D, Poser, all. I learned how to work all this shit off YouTube. I learned how to create websites off YouTube. I learned how to fucking print business cards. I learned how to do everything off YouTube, bro. So don't sit there and tell me that I'm successful, bro. I'm not, bro. I'm not talented. I'm not no fucking skilled genius, bro. Everything I learned, somebody else taught me from YouTube, bro. So it's no excuse, bro. This is literally no excuse, bro. It's like, and you know what? It's even so cold. You want to get this baby while I go get in there? He chilling, Molly. Let him get some sun. He ain't white.
That's not the point.
Hey, he can sit in the sun. He good.
If it's burning me, it's gonna burn
You
him.
ain't black.
So what does that mean?
If it's burning you, that don't mean it's gonna burn him. He got black thing in him.
All right, well, you need to flip flop me. Not with that wide angle though.
Here.
Oh, stop me. I wanted it before when my hair was all nice and spooky. Wait, not with these shoes though. See, I was like, look, Mom, Preston. I was like, nope, it's just another guy.
You want a long shot or what?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me turn the what's the name up.
Oh, my hair's like sticky.
Here.
My jewel stayed on. That's cool.
Here, hold him, because I'm about to go get in real quick.
Maybe we should put him in.
You want to go?
You can't even see me.
You got to brighten it up. Yeah. Here, all right, we'll go put him in.
I wanted a picture of his outfit in your camera.
I got the real camera. I brought it.
That camera.
Here, hold him real quick.
Put his hat back on. Let me take a picture of him. Isla.
Here, stand up.
Move that stuff by you. Isla. Hey. Isla, look over here. Over here. Hey. Isla. Hey. Hey, over here. Isla.
Hey, look at your mom, man.
Hey. 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 You know my lips. Oh my god, I can't squat. It hurts. Isla. Get your daddy's shirt. Hey.
Here, you need to get him. I'm about to go get in.
Isla. Isla. Hey, Mimi. Hey, Mimi. Over here. Hey. Isla. It's not warm over here. I mean, when you're in there, it's warm. Island, look over here, Mimi. Hey.
You gonna go put him in or what?
We could. I don't know how he's gonna do because it's salty.
Here. I might as well get in
I'm
there.
afraid to put him in there. That's not fair, man. I want to get in with all of us.
We can't. We gotta wait till Jody comes or somebody comes to watch baby.
Well, I'm wet.
You wet? Hold on real quick, yo.
We should have put our stuff right there on the edge of the grass so it doesn't get sandy.
No. You gonna hold him or what?
I'm trying to figure it out right now.
I'm about to go get in the water.
Well, stand up. You can pick them up. Put your phone down.
I'm live. I'm getting in the water with
Well,
the
here,
line.
let me hold it while you get up. Why should you get live with that thing on? Here, let me see.
Here.
I'll put it down there. Why'd you point it that way? Woo! Get up, cuz. I wish we had a paddleboard.
I ain't taking him to the water with me.
Maybe Fred. I'll get Fred. Give him his beak. I'll get Fred.
Here.
He ain't cute. I'm cute.
Show you how I get in the water. What the fuck? That shit was recording that whole time.
Don't get sand. Move your shirt. Put it on the baby stroller. Yeah, that's right.
You about to get out of here.
Who? I brought my little waterproof cover.
Where's that?
Here.
Oh, we about to do it.
Pick up the backpack, sir. Dang, don't be forgetting things.
Your baby is trying to get out of here.
Buckle him in there.
You don't want to, bro.
It's gonna sound muffled.
It don't matter.
Oh, that's what's missing. You took it off.
What?
It's in the car. Okay. Does it work? Oh, it works.
Oh, we lit.
Just hold the black part. Hold this black part.
Watch out for the lake, the lobsters.
There isn't.
Hey, we lit. Where you gonna swim at? In the deep side?
Probably shallow.
Probably a shark out there.
It's not even deep. It's shallow. I'm right here.
Hey, we lit. We got the underwater cave. Woo! You know black people can't swim. Look at that big old wave over there. You better come on. Shit, I'm about to drown. I'm about to go back to the other side. I'm trying to be safe. Y'all niggas crazy, bro. I'm an Aquarius. I love water, bro.
Look at your mama.
What happened? What happened? Stepped on the rock?
These shoes are I didn't step it.
Hey, we lit. See, I'm gonna tell you what type of person I am. It just be taking me a long time to get in the water. I hate cold water, bro. This shit cold. But once I get it, like, used to it, I'm gonna be in there. You feel me? You feel me? Once I get comfy. If I get comfy, I'm gonna be in there, yo. You feel me? I just be waiting. I'm like shy. You feel me? I'm like a real live dolphin. Like, I could really hold my breath for like at least maybe like 6 minutes. Like, for real, for real. All right, I'm almost getting warm. Gotta splash this shit on me at a time. All right, I'm about to dive in. Shit gotta be cold, though.
Hey, what if we're going deeper on the paddleboard?
Where?
You want to go on the paddleboard? You want to come off the paddleboard?
No, I could really hold my breath for like 6 minutes, though. Like, for real, for real. Like all jokes aside. All right, be careful.
I'm stepping on them so I don't get hurt. I'm stepping
All right, let's see who can hold their breath the longest, me or you.
It's you. Obviously, it's you.
I used to be a lifeguard when I was younger. Gotta do all my breathing techniques before I get under there. You feel me? Hey, wait a minute, I'm nervous. Shy. Jeez. Don't pressure me. Dang, peer pressure is a motherfucker. All right, you ready, Zay? Going under.
I'm not gonna go.
All right, y'all ready? Nervous. I might drown. Y'all don't want to die live. Feel me? Nigga, I like my taco meat. Nigga, fuck you niggas talking about, nigga. I'm a grown ass man out here. Nigga, I don't want no little baby chest. Nigga, what? Nigga, fuck you niggas talking about. All right, I'm about to go under. Let me find a good spot that's safe where the lifeguard can see me. Just in case a nigga drown, G. Feel me? All right, we getting it. You ready for this? We lit. Oh, yeah. We was in there, huh? Did you see some sharks?
No.
I think I seen a shark.
Where? If you seen a shark over me.
Almost drowned, G. I could have stayed under longer, but I didn't know if I was way out there. I couldn't really tell. You know, the wave water will pull you way out to the other side, so you want to be safe. Whoa, be careful. Hey, somebody screenshot this for me, because this is going to be like an album cover. Feel me? Somebody screenshot that. Feel good in there? You cute?
You never take enough pictures.
Always taking up pictures. You over there eating all the salsa.
I'm not. Here.
Yo, that was hard.
What?
Yo, I'm cute.
No, you're not.
You be hating on me. Every time I say I'm fine, you always got something to say.
You're hot.
Can a nigga be fine in Hawaii?
You're not even shaking it right.
Oh. Y'all screenshotted that? Alright, cool. Make sure y'all DM me that so I can post that. You feel me?
Suck it in.
Hey, this is my Hawaii belly. I don't care what you niggas talk about. Look. What? I can't hear you. What? All right, I'm gonna say something.